API, or Application Programming Interface. It's a messenger that takes a request and tells the system what to do. Pretty simple, right? Well, kind of. Let me explain. Let's look at this website, Priceline. Now, if you've never used it, it's an aggregator site. It basically searches all the deals from all the websites and delivers me the best price for a hotel in the area I'm looking to stay in. Now, how does Priceline get this information? Do they call up the vendors and ask for their price information and then store it in a database? No. Besides that being time-consuming, it would be close to impossible. Instead, all of this information is actually being provided to Priceline through an API. It's what allows two complete strangers to be able to communicate. It's also beneficial for Presidente Intercontinental Cancun Resort and all these other hotels to provide this data to Priceline because most people like you and me would not know of this hotel. This way, our computers can share data and work with each other in a more efficient way. And the hotels? Well, they can get their rooms booked. The reason I think it's important to go over this topic is because all the services in AWS have an API in which we can leverage to communicate our needs to the AWS service. We can use it to execute our needs in a more efficient manner. We can use these AWS APIs to deploy, terminate, and automate our way through AWS. I hope in this video, you got a better idea of how APIs work and how as a cloud engineer you can leverage them. I'll see you in the next video.